Hi friends, I just received my new NANOCERA ceramic kitchen knife set. It's really nice, you'll see. It includes 2 knives and a scissors, and you can see how beautiful it is. The knife is not metal, it's a kind of a special material, zirconium dioxide, and it has no hard metals in it. As you can see, it's really sharp. You have to be careful to use it. You get this big knife, this smaller one, and also kitchen scissors to cut any kind of food that you need. You get this scissors protector to keep them in your kitchen. And, well, you can see they are not only beautiful, but they are very useful. Let's try them. Try our new knives, kitchen knives. As you can see, it's just really easy to cut. Everything just so soft, like really easy. It cuts like a knife. Okay, perfect. You can use a small one for smaller ones, smaller fruits, smaller jobs. You see how easy they cut? And they will look pretty in your kitchen. Okay, the accessories have a wood-like plastic part here, so it won't worn or go old. You just have to watch them with care as you watch any of your kitchen utensils, okay? So, great, very recommended.